As 2023 comes to a close, it's the perfect time to reflect on the remarkable year it has been for the automotive industry. From groundbreaking electric vehicles (EVs) to advancements in autonomous driving, the car landscape has seen some significant shifts. Let's dive into the highlights of the year's car innovations and trends. Electrifying the roads, the rise of EVs. Electric vehicles continued their meteoric rise in 2023, with several manufacturers launching impressive models. Tesla remained a frontrunner with its updated Model S, featuring enhanced battery life and a refreshed interior. However, traditional automakers like Ford and General Motors also made headlines with their forays into the EV market. Ford's Mustang Mach-E received praise for its blend of performance and range, while General Motors' Ultium battery technology set new standards for power and efficiency. New players like Rivian and Lucid Motors also emerged as significant competitors, offering high-end EVs with cutting-edge technology and luxury features. The Lucid Air, with its claimed range of over 500 miles per charge, pushed the boundaries of EV capabilities. Chevy's new electric utility vehicle, the Chevrolet Bolt EV, made a significant impact with its combination of affordability, range, and spacious interior. It was praised for bringing EV technology to a broader audience, offering a practical and accessible option for everyday drivers. Audi's entry into the luxury EV market with the Audi e-tron GT was met with acclaim. Reviewers appreciated its striking design, dynamic driving experience, and luxurious interior. The e-tron GT was seen as a strong competitor in the high-end EV segment, marrying performance with clean energy. Self-driving cars, nearing the horizon. Autonomous driving technology made leaps in 2023. Companies like Waymo and Tesla continued to refine their self-driving systems, with several pilot programs in major cities demonstrating the potential for driverless vehicles in everyday life. Regulatory challenges remained, but the progress pointed towards a not-so-distant future where autonomous cars could become a common sight. Volvo's midsize SUV, the Volvo XC60, equipped with the latest pilot assist system, received accolades for its advanced driver assistance features. The system, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities, was noted for its reliability and ease of use, enhancing both safety and comfort on the road. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class's Drive Pilot system was another highlight, offering one of the most advanced autonomous driving experiences available. Reviewers were impressed by its ability to handle complex driving scenarios, cementing Mercedes-Benz's position at the forefront of autonomous vehicle technology. Hybrid innovations, balancing power and sustainability. Hybrid vehicles remained popular among consumers looking for a balance between traditional engines and electric power. Toyota's new Prius model offered improved fuel efficiency and a more stylish design, catering to a broader audience. Luxury car brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz also expanded their hybrid lineups, combining performance with eco-friendly technology. The latest Prius model, the Toyota Prius Prime, continued to define the hybrid segment, offering even better fuel efficiency and a revamped, more stylish exterior. Critics noted its improved driving dynamics and enhanced infotainment system, making it a top choice for eco-conscious consumers. Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid, Porsche's luxury hybrid SUV, impressed with its balance of power, efficiency, and luxury. It was commended for its seamless integration of electric and combustion engines, delivering a powerful yet eco-friendly driving experience. The SUV and truck evolution. The SUV and truck segments saw significant developments in 2023. The introduction of electric pickups like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Tesla Cybertruck changed the landscape, offering powerful performance with the benefits of electric propulsion. Traditional SUVs and trucks also saw upgrades in fuel efficiency and technology, with manufacturers focusing on providing more environmentally friendly options without sacrificing power. Ford F-150 Lightning, Ford's electric version of its best-selling truck, was a game-changer. The Lightning combined the utility and ruggedness of the F-150 with an all-electric powertrain, offering impressive towing capacity and a range suitable for most daily needs. Rivian's all-electric truck, the Rivian R1T, was a standout for its off-road capabilities and innovative features like the gear tunnel. It garnered praise for its combination of utility, performance, and sustainability, marking a new era for the pickup truck market. The Tesla Cybertruck represents a radical departure from conventional automotive design, embodying a futuristic aesthetic with its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton. This electric pickup truck has garnered attention for its unconventional appearance, resembling something from a science fiction movie. The Cybertruck challenges traditional automotive norms and highlights Tesla's commitment to innovative, sustainable transportation solutions. Looking ahead, a sustainable and exciting future. As we look towards 2024, the trends of 2023 suggest an exciting future for the automotive industry. With advancements in EV technology, autonomous driving, and sustainable practices, the coming years promise to bring even more innovative and environmentally friendly options to consumers worldwide. The cars of 2023 not only showcase the industry's technological prowess but also its commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. As we bid farewell to this impactful year, we eagerly anticipate the continued evolution of the automotive world.